Hi, everybody. That's right. That's right. It is the finishing kit. The finishing kit is here. 2.5 months late. There's that. Better late than never. So it's inventory day. It's unpacking day. Now, don't get excited. The finishing kit is, it's mostly the big weird stuff. Wings come and it is just packed of panels and metalworking. I'm afraid to say that I would estimate that our metalworking time is about 95% at its end. Do you think I was excited? I'm wearing a wheel fairing on my head. That's how excited I am. So yeah, but most of what we got here is fairings, canopies in there, obviously, uh, engine mount, landing gear, wheels. That's a lot. There's a lot there, and various ancillaries and stuff. I have, however, gotten a lot of stuff removed from this. This is the one kit where I've really gone through and deleted a lot, right? So let's just go over the customizations. Both the back window and the canopy are both UV protected and slightly tinted, so that was special. I removed the wheels as I'm going with Behringer wheels, and that is not yet an option with the kit. There you can see me uh, getting deep into. Oh yeah. So also so one of the reasons it was late, like I said, it was 2.5 months late. Is first off, uh, there was a problem with the engine mounts. So the engine mounts were late. This should have been delivered at the beginning of November. They were having a delay getting the engine mounts. They said it would be December, right? December rolled around. They said, okay, we'll be packing up in the next 3 to 4 weeks, and this was before Christmas. Oh yeah, forgot about that. Here's the cowling. So after New Year's, I'm like, hey, what's the status? They're like, oh yeah, so the landing gear now is delayed. I said, okay, well, how long is that going to be? They're like, oh, it's going to be weeks. I'm like, oh, son of a bitch. They said, look, we're just going to go ahead and ship it to you now. So, kudos to Vans. Thank you. I appreciate that. So they sent me everything minus the landing gear, which ironically showed up 3 days later to their factory, so they just sent it the next week. So there I am unwrapping the small box that comes underneath the cowling. So you take the cowling out and Shazam, there's a box down there, which contains most of the small pieces. And of course, this is a Vans kit, so there are two constants, one of them being the mountain of paper behind me, the small force that had to be sacrificed to pack all my pieces together, and the, of course, bag of fasteners, which we will be counting out. Actually, I don't know if we're doing it in the next video. I think I've got another video of inventorying. Actually, I lost some of the video, which reminds me, I'm replacing my camera yet again. That piece of crap just it's disappointing. And I apologize because you're missing all the fun. So we do have some metal work to do. You'll notice that I've kept the seat backs. If you look at those pieces of metal leaning up against the table there, one of them is the entrance to the tail cone, which will have the big experimental letters on it, and that sits in the back of the baggage compartment. And then the two seat backs lean up against it. I may have mentioned it before. I am building the normal seats. One's for resale because maybe someone doesn't like the seats I've put in. You never know. And two, when I'm flying aerobatics and having a parachute on my back, I don't want to be having a 3-inch parachute on my back, then sitting on a 3-inch seat. It'll be uncomfortable. So I kept these seat backs, and we're going to make them so that we can use them when we're flying and doing loops and fun stuff. So in the next video, I think we do the inventory. I don't know. That's next week. So anyway, thank you for joining me, everybody. This is really exciting. We're finally getting around to some more stuff. So see you soon.